Hey everyone, welcome back to my Peyote stitch series. In this video, I will teach you the basics of odd count tubular peyote stitch. If you're new to peyote stitch, I recommend watching the first video in this series where I teach you the basics of flat peyote stitch. When doing tubular peyote stitch, it's ideal to use a wooden dowel or something else cylindrical to bead around to keep your work steady. For this demo, I'm using a cardboard toilet roll tube. I'll also be using large pony beads, a yarn needle, and yarn. Now let's get started. As with our other peyote stitches, you'll begin creating a stopper bead. To add the bead, thread through leaving a 3 to 4 inch tail, then thread through again to create a loop. You can loop through again for added stability. Now you'll pick up an odd number of beads that will wrap around the circumference of your dowel or tube. I'm using 25 pony beads for this demonstration. Next, wrap the beads around your tube until the beads on either end meet. Thread through the first bead to connect into a circle. Now we'll begin our peyote. Pick up one bead, skip a bead, thread through. Repeat until you've made it back to the start. This is the step that will differ from even count. Pick up one bead, then thread through the next up bead, which is from the previous row of added beads. And just keep adding beads just like this until you've reached the desired length for your project. Odd count peyote is essentially an endless spiral of beads. Note that with odd count tubular peyote stitch, the beads will have a step down appearance like this. You don't have this effect with even count peyote, which has an even line appearance. Keep this in mind when designing your projects and when following patterns. If you enjoyed this tutorial, then you'll love this tutorial on how to make super easy wire wrapped hoop earrings. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.